In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SolidWorks portfolio. So you can use that whether you're applying for SolidWorks designer job or whether you want to get a better job position or you want to start your own freelancing career, right? So you want to apply for different projects. Now, if you don't have the portfolio, I'm going to show you how that looks like, and then you can copy mine. And if you have one, then you can see what you can maybe improve. So this is just one of the simple portfolio that I used back in the days. I'm gonna just give it a structure, right? What you can put inside of the portfolio. So first of all, here we have the name and then your credentials, whether you are engineer, a certified SolidWorks professional, or a certified SolidWorks associate, right? You can then put that here. For example, I have certified SolidWorks professional and mechanical engineer. And then also you want to put one line, what are you specialized in? So I wrote designing functional real-world projects with SolidWorks. Now, if you are a student and you don't have professional experience, or maybe you're not students but don't have professional experience, then you want to actually create something, and this is what you're specialized in. So you want to build your portfolio that you can actually show, I can build this. Then put a photo of yourself here, and then just a few sentences about you. So you can also say, I'm certified SolidWorks professional with experience, and then just write your experiences, right? Power design, assembly, surfacing sheet metal, and motion studies. I focus on creating functional, real-world designs that are not only accurate, but also optimized for manufacturing and presentation. So basically, you just want to list the skills that you have in SolidWorks and then what you are specialized in or where you have the most experience. That's about me. Also here I put a certifications, right? CSWA, CSWP. And then we go to actually portfolio. So again, if you don't have any projects, create one for yourself and you can show that. This is the resisting welding machine. This is what I was designing in the first SolidWorks job that I had after graduating, right? So basically, I just put a title here, resisting welding machine, tools that I use, right? Part design, assembly tools, and then also description, what is this part about? So you can see one picture, two pictures of that, that's enough. Then the second one, I put here vintage plane. So I have to put here plane. Here's the thing, you want to showcase your different SolidWorks skills, right? So for example, if you want to apply for jobs in specific industry where they use specific SolidWorks tools, then you want to showcase these tools, right? Whether that's surfacing tools or sheet metal tools or FEA, finite element analysis, or power design or drawing or whatever that is. I'm just showing you here my different SolidWorks skills, power design, assembly, surfacing. For example, this vintage plane, I use tools, surfacing tools, and the description what this project is. So I put two photos, mostly everything, one from SolidWorks interface, as you can see, and one rendered, this one here. Then we have, for example, electric control panel. Like this is just a small project that showcase sheet metal skills. Also, we have the tools description. Then the room bike. This is something I just did it for myself back in the days. As you can see, also two photos. One is rendered, one is in the SolidWorks. Project wall clock, this is where I was showing the motion study, right? So I was showing how to actually create a motion study in the SolidWorks using this wall clock. Then project 5, USB stick. This is where I was actually building this part from the photograph. So modeling from photograph, this is the skill. But I was having the photo of the USB, and I was then using that in the SolidWorks to actually build this part. Then we have the guitar, something more complex. For example, here I show advanced part design skills, assembly skills, and rendering. So we have acoustic guitar, electric guitar, right? As you can see, it looks pretty real, electric and acoustic. Then also I have here a digital caliper. Again, another showcase of part design and assembly tools. So basically you want to build the projects. If you don't have the projects, you have to build a project that actually showcase the skills that are needed for the job position you're applying or that are needed for the project you want to apply, right? Whether that's part design, assembly, surfacing, sheet metal, FEA, or whatever that is. And then once you have these 5 to 10 different projects, then you just put here highlights, 10 plus years SolidWorks experience, CSWB certified, Then I just put here my advanced skills and my intermediate skills in the SolidWorks. And then here, contact, you can contact me on this email or LinkedIn profile or whatever that is. As you can see, it's very simple. It showcases your strengths in the SolidWorks. And if you want to build your own portfolio, I'm going to put this down below. This is in the Canva, so you can make a copy out of this and build your own portfolio. Now, if you want to build these designs, as you can see, this one here by yourself, so you can actually showcase to people, then you can also check out my course where actually I'm going to show you how to do these things.